East Croydon. This is East Croydon. The train now standing at platform 3 is the 0722 Southern service to London Victoria. Calling at Clapham Junction and London Victoria. Platform 4 for the 0724 First Capital Connect service to Bedford. Calling at Tulse Hill, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, St Pancras International, St Albans, Harpenden, Luton Airport Parkway, Luton, Leagrave, Harlington, Flitwick and Bedford. This train is formed of 8 coaches. I'm sorry to inform you that there is no first-class accommodation on this train today. Platform 4 for the 0724 First Capital Connect service to Bedford.